No, you just need to come with a little bit of speed to get over that rock. It's small. Just a little bit. You're on top of it. Come a little bit more. Come back and do it again. Back up a little more. There we go. All right, try again. There you go. Straighten up. Hey. You're through it. Go slow. Just come forward. Just hit it forward.
Break down, moving inside.